Hey guys, today I'll be talking about linear equations and all about how to solve them. So for the first question, we will be doing x minus 4 equals to negative 2. So how we solve this is we bring negative 4 to the other side to isolate the variable. Since we can't just circle it, put an arrow and stick it there, we have to do x minus 4 or negative 4 plus 4. And then whatever we do to one side, we do to the other, so we do equal negative 2 plus 4. So now when we do x minus 4 plus 4, it crosses out, so we get nothing, and we just carry on, so we get x equals to negative 2 plus 4. Now here, since minus plus is minus, we have to minus 4 by 2, which is 2, and it gets the side from the bigger number, which in this case is 4. So now we'll be doing a second question. The second question is going to be about x, well, not x, but this time it's different. It's 3x. So I'll show you the difference in how to solve it. So we have here 3x plus 1 equals to 22. Now since we have to bring positive 1 or plus 1 to the other side, it changes signs to a minus. So we would get 3x plus 1 minus 1. So we could get rid of the plus 1 on the other side, equals to 22, and we have to do the same thing to the other side, minus 1. So we would cross out plus 1 minus 1, and we would get 3x equals to 22 minus 1. So we do 22 minus 1 in our heads. So first step, we just have to solve it normally if there's a number in front of the variable. But now it changes. We have to do 3x over 3 and 21 over 3 to get rid of the 3, because the variables always want to be by themselves, alone. So now we would cross out 3 and 3, which means 3 divided by 3, and now we have to solve 21 divided by 3, or 21 over 3, which is 21 divided by 3 in easier ways, or in an easier way to say it. And the answer would be 7. So now x equals to 7. Now 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we just x times 1 would be x itself. So instead of writing all of that, you can just write x. So third question, we will be doing 3x. So this is going to be a little the same as the second question. It's 3x minus 2 equals to negative 26. So now we have to bring the negative 2 to the other side, and we have to it changes signs from a negative or a minus to a plus or to a positive, and now we have to do 3x minus 2. So my bad, we have to do 3x minus 2 plus 2, so it can cross out, and we will do, and then we get equals to negative 26 plus 2. So whatever we do to one side, we do to the other all the time in math. Don't forget that rule. It's really important. Okay, so now we do 3x. So since it would cross out, we just get 3x equals to negative 26 plus 2. So negative 26 plus 2, since minus plus minus equals to plus, or no, my bad. Since minus plus is minus, we have to minus in this case. So subtract, and then it would get the sign from the bigger number, which is 26, so we get negative 24. Now we have to over 3 or divide by 3 for each side. So 3 divided by 3 would be 1, so it would be just x. And we would write x, and then we would do negative 24 divided by 3. So there is no difference into negative 24 divided by 3. The sign does not change anything when you're doing this, and it would technically just be normally 24 divided by 3, but just negative. So we would get, so in easier terms or in easier words, it would be negative 24 divided by 3, or just 24 divided by 3, and then you add the sign. But don't forget the sign. If you write if you get the right answer, but you just forget the sign or write a wrong sign, then the whole question is, or the whole answer is wrong. So since 24 divided by 3 is 8, or negative 8, we get, so since 24 divided by 3 is 8, we add the negative sign, and don't forget to do that always. So we would get x equals to negative 8. Now for the fourth question. This one is the last question for today. We will be doing (3x) So this is also the same as the third and the second question. We'll be doing 3x plus 9 equals to 18. So we have to move positive 9 to the other side, and when we do that, it changes symbols to a negative or a minus. And now we have to do 3x plus 9 minus 9, so we can so the numbers can cross out and we can get rid of it and put it on the other side, so we get equals to 18 minus 9. So now we would get it would cross out, so now we would get 3x equals to 18 minus 9. So 18 minus 9, we do 18 minus 9 in our heads, which is, we always have to write 3x, or x equals 2. So 3x equals to 9, since 9 plus 9 is 18. So now we have to over both numbers by 3, or divide both numbers by 3. And 3 would cross out since they equal to 1. And 1 times x is x, so we don't have to write x times 1 equals to the answer. So yeah, I'm just going to show you that it's the same thing as saying 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. And x times 1. So I'm just going to do it the long way. So since we would get 1, we get x times 1, and 9 over 3 is just like saying 9 divided by 3. And 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. So we would get x times 1 equals to 3. Or, in other words, x times 1 is x itself. So we would get x equals to 3. And that's the final answer. I hope you learned something new in today's video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.